शुरू कर दो। Look, verify the following circles or great circle or small circle. Great circle means if the center lies on the plane, that is called great circle, and center is not on the plane, that is called small circle. So circle, you know what is the circle means? That is together plane and the sphere is called circle. Center of the sphere, the given in the given plane, center of the sphere is 2 minus 3 4, and 2 minus 3 4 substitute in the given equation, the given plane, given sphere, we get 0. Then we say that is the center of the sphere is lies on the plane or passing through the plane passing through the center. So center of the sphere lies on the plane, given circle is great circle. So that is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. We got center of the sphere lies on the plane, given circle is great circle. We take second question. X square plus y square plus z square 12x minus 12y minus 6z plus 11 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 0 means 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 17. The center of the sphere is here minus 6, 6 and 8. If we substitute this in the sphere, we get 2 into minus 6 plus 2 into 6 plus 8 minus 17 is equal to minus 9. If you simplify this all, it means center does not lies on the plane. This is not a great circle because the center is not on the plane. This is not a great circle. Not a great circle means this is a small circle. Actually, what is the meaning of great circle is Petha Vruttam means that there is no greater than that given sphere. ఇచ్చిన స్పియర్ కంటే ఇచ్చిన ప్లేన్ కంటే వేరే ఏదైతే ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్ భాగం ఉంటుందో అది దట్ ఈస్ గ్రేట్ ఇన్ దట్ గివెన్ స్పియర్. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ టేక్ అనదర్ వన్, దిస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ యూ కట్ the either above or below, we got small than the given circle, great circle. So in these equations, the first above equation is great, the above circle is great circle, and this the given circle is small circle. Show that the equation of the sphere having its center on the plane, that is 4x minus 5y minus z is equal to 3, and passing through the center with equations, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8 is equal to 0. And x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus 5y minus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0. These two are sphere equations, and these two sphere equations passing through the circle x square plus y square plus z square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 7x plus 11 plus 9y minus 11z minus 1 is equal to 0. Let the equation of the sphere is in the form of, what that form, s plus lambda L is equal to 0. You see, every equation passing through the circle is in the form of s plus lambda L is equal to 0. S is sphere and L is the plane. For finding the plane equation, many conditions are given in the problem. What is that? That is s x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8. Otherwise you take second one also, whatever it means. First of all, we find the plane equation which are passing through these two spheres. Means first of all we subtract the planes, that is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8 and minus x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus 5y minus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0 implies we get the simplification minus 6x minus 8y plus 10z plus 6 equal to 0. The required equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8 plus lambda minus 6x minus 8y plus 10z plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle which passes through the two spheres. Means you take x square plus y square x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8. Like this, the center of that sphere is 1 plus 3 lambda, another one is 3 plus lambda 8 lambda by 2, and minus 4 plus 10 lambda by 2. So this is lies on the 4x minus 5y minus z is equal to 3. Why? Because here given that is a great circle. Given that passing through the plane, it means first of all we find the center of the sphere, this is, and substitute in the given plane 8 plus 4 of 1 plus 3 lambda minus 5 of 3 plus 8 lambda by 2 and minus of minus 2 minus 5 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. 8 plus 24 lambda minus 15 minus 40 lambda plus 4 plus 10 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. After simplification we get minus 6 lambda minus 9 is equal to 0. And another one is from this one minus 6 lambda is equal to 9. So lambda is equal to minus 9 by 6. Lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8 minus of 3 by 2 minus 6x minus 8y plus 10z plus 6 is equal to 0. After simplification we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 7x plus 9y minus 11z minus 1 is equal to 0. I think this is this which they want. We have to do it. So this is the equation. Many times we have to find the equation of the spheres. Passes through the equations, passes through the center and intersecting the and having this radius, whatever it may be. Some conditions are given, then we find the equation, the value of lambda in S plus lambda L is equal to 0. We substitute that value, we get the equation. So lambda is equal to minus 3 means 3 by 2 means substitute in this S plus lambda L by 2, S plus lambda L, then we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 7x plus 9y minus 11z minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the sphere, which is from given conditions. Here a sphere S has two endpoints 0 1 0, 3 minus 5 2 at opposite ends of a diameter. Find the equation of the sphere having the intersection of the sphere S with the plane 5x minus 2y plus 4z and plus 7 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ వ్యాసం యొక్క రెండు చివరి బిందువులు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు first of all we find the equation of the sphere. Another condition is given. What is that? That is a great circle with that plane. ప్లేన్ ఇచ్చేసి గ్రేట్ సర్కిల్ అయినట్లయితే ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి టేక్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ which passes through the two end point of the diameter. The formula is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2. X minus 0 into x minus 3 plus y minus 1 y plus 5 z minus 0 z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, if you simplify this, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x here and plus 4y, because y into 5, 5y minus 1 into y minus 4 minus y, 5y minus y, that we got 4y and minus 2z. Now complete the constant terms, we got minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere. and one condition is given that the plane equation is given and says that that is a great circle. If we take the plane equation and, and sphere equation, what is the equation of the circle? That is s plus lambda l is equal to 0. So what is s plus lambda l is equal to 0? That is 3 minus 5 lambda, this one, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x plus 4y minus 2z minus 5 plus lambda 5x minus 2y plus 4z plus 7 is equal to 0. Then center is 3 minus 5 lambda by 2 minus 4 plus 2 lambda by 2, 2 minus 4 lambda by 2. Why we have to find here center? Because the plane equation and the sphere equation having great circle అన్నాడు కాబట్టి great circle means passing through the plane, passing through the center. That's why you find the center. Required equation is a great circle, means phi of 3 minus 5 lambda by 2 minus 2 of minus 4 plus 2 lambda by 2 plus 4 of 2 minus 4 lambda by 2 plus 7 is equal to 0. Just we substitute the center on the given plane. And finally we got what we got finally 15 minus 25y plus 8 minus 4 lambda plus 8 minus 16 lambda plus 14 is equal to 0. Minus 45 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0 after simplification. So we got the value of lambda is equal to 1. And required equation of this pair is just we substitute the value of lambda in 1. Required equation we got x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x plus 4y minus 2z minus 5 plus 1 of 5x minus 2y plus 4z plus 7 is equal to 0. And after simplification it x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the sphere what we got. You see here many types of sphere conditions you can find the equation of the spheres, because here given the end of the two diameters, means from that two we find the equation of the sphere, and plane equation is given. That's why we write the equation of the sphere in formula s plus lambda l is equal to 0. And for finding the condition value of lambda, condition is what? Center substitute in the plane, we get the value of lambda. Okay, that is the equation of the spheres. Now here the condition is find the conditions of the points where the line x plus 1 by 4 x plus 3 1 by 3 y plus 4 1 by 5 z minus 8 intersect the sphere. This up to now we find that intersecting of plane with sphere, intersecting two planes. Now we see that if the line intersect the sphere, what we got? It means the intersecting point of the line, the sphere is like x minus alpha by L and y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N. We take that is equal to some r. So x is equal to LR plus alpha and y is equal to mr plus beta, z is equal to nr plus gamma. Sphere is this one. Substitute x, y, z in 1. After simplification, we got the value of r in two values, because r equation becomes in second degree. Then we get the values, two values of for r. The two values for r, we substitute in x, y, z, we get the equations. So one example, we take one example. X plus 3 by 4, y plus 4 by 3, z minus 8 by minus 5. So this is equal to some r, we say. What is x? 4r plus 3 means 4r minus 3, and y is equal to 3r minus 4, and z is equal to minus 5r plus 8. So substitute in x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 10y minus 23 is equal to 0. What we substitute here? The values of x, y and z. 4r minus 3 whole square, and substitute this, we get the equation that is 16r square plus 9 minus 24r plus 9r square plus 16 minus 24r plus 64 plus 25r square minus 80r, like that, plus 8r minus 6 minus 30r plus 40 minus 23 is equal to 0. How we get this one means the values of x, y, z substitute in the given sphere. So the equation becomes in r second degree equation. We got for 50r square 50 minus 150r plus 100. So r square minus 3r plus 2 is equal to 0. So we got r square minus 2r minus r plus 2 is equal to 0 as a factors. From these factors we got r of r minus 2, r minus r of r minus r square means the values of r is equal to 1 and 2. The intersecting point is 1, minus 1, 3, 5, 2 and minus 2. So these 2 points are the intersecting points of the line and the sphere. Okay, thank you.